Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make an Avengers edit video using an easy method. First, gather your favorite Avengers clips and a dynamic music track that fits the mood. Next, download a user-friendly video editing app to your phone or computer. Once installed, open your project and import all your selected video footage and the audio track. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth editing process. Now let's dive into the basic editing. Start by trimming your video clips to keep only the most exciting parts, cutting out any unnecessary footage. A key step is to sync your video cuts with the beat of your music. This creates a powerful, engaging rhythm. Finally, add simple transitions between your clips. Avoid overly complex effects here. A clean cut or a quick dissolve often works best for a dynamic edit. To truly make your Avengers edit shine, let's enhance it. Experiment with color grading to give your footage a more cinematic and heroic feel, perhaps a slightly desaturated look with strong contrasts. Next, layer in some impactful sound effects, like the thud of a punch or the roar of an explosion, to amplify the action. You can also add subtle text overlays for character names or memorable quotes, adding another layer of polish to your creation. You're almost done. Before exporting, watch your entire video from beginning to end. This final review helps you catch any small errors or timing issues you might have missed. Once you're satisfied, export your finished Avengers edit in the highest quality possible, ideally 1080p, to ensure it looks crisp and professional. Then, share your masterpiece with friends and fellow fans. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.